Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change background on Chromebook. First, you'll need to go down to the bottom right hand corner and you're going to tap right where you see the time. Then you're going to tap on the settings cog right here. Next, you're going to tap on personalization. After you have selected that, you're going to tap on wallpaper. And from here you can see some preloaded wallpapers that you can choose from. There are numerous options you can choose from. You will simply tap on the one that you like, or you can select a wallpaper from your gallery by tapping on My Images, and then you'll tap on the wallpaper that you like to use. And that's how to change the background on Google Chrome. For example, I'll tap on this one right here, and you can select for your background to be changed daily. You'll simply tap on the one that you want, as you can see right here. And if I should minimize it, you can see that the background has been changed. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.